Understand English but can't speak? Here are some steps to help you start speaking. So the first one is don't aim for perfect, aim for real. Don't aim for perfect, aim for real. Then the second one is practice real talk in safe spaces. Practice real talk in safe spaces. Then we have talk yourself out loud. Talk yourself out loud. Then speak before your brain edits. Speak before your brain edits. Then use mini conversations. Use mini conversations. And then we have record yourself and listen it without judgment. Record yourself and listen it without judgment. And the last one is embrace mistakes as a part of learning. Embrace mistakes as a part of learning. This is the most important one. So follow for more.